Imagine you're about to buy something you want, a new gadget, a fancy dinner, or that trending piece of clothing. The urge to buy is strong. But what if you hit pause for just 24 hours? This simple act, a spending pause, can transform your entire financial future. Wealthy individuals have mastered the art of waiting before making non-essential purchases. That pause isn't about deprivation, it's about creating space to let emotion settle and logic take the wheel. In that space, you can ask, do I truly need this? Is there a better use for this money? How will this purchase impact my long-term goals? Most people spend impulsively, chasing short-term pleasure and instant gratification. But the wealthy make room for thoughtful reflection, weighing each decision against what they value most: freedom, security, growth, and lasting happiness. Over time, small pauses add up to big gains. You avoid regretful buys, free up money for investments, and gain a deeper sense of control over your financial life. The next time you feel the pull to spend, try the spending pause. It's a quiet, powerful habit that separates those who build wealth from those who just wish for it.